Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo in Salesforce. Whether you're rebranding your business or simply want to customize your workspace with a fresh new look, updating your Salesforce logo is a quick and straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step. First, look up to the top right corner of your Salesforce screen where you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to all the administrative settings and configurations available in Salesforce. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that dropdown, select Setup. This takes you into the back-end area of Salesforce where you can modify various settings, manage users, and customize the appearance of your apps. It's essentially the control center for your Salesforce environment. Now that you're in the Setup area, you'll notice a Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. This search box is incredibly handy for quickly navigating to specific settings without having to dig through multiple menus. Type App Manager into the Quick Find box. As you type, Salesforce will start filtering the options for you. Click on App Manager from the results that appear. The App Manager is where all your Salesforce applications are listed and managed. This is the central hub for customizing the branding, navigation, and overall look of your apps. In the App Manager, you'll see a list of all the applications available in your Salesforce instance. Scroll through this list and find the specific app where you want to change the logo. Once you've located it, look over to the most right column where you'll see a small drop-down arrow next to the app name. Click on that drop-down arrow. A menu will pop up with several options for managing that app. From this menu, select Edit. This will open up the app's configuration page where you can make various customizations, including changing the logo on the configuration page. Look for the section labeled App Branding or Logo. This is where all the visual elements of your app are controlled. Within this section, you'll see an option that says Upload Image. Click on it to begin the process of adding your new logo. A file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders. Select your logo file, making sure it's in either PNG or JPEG format, as these are the supported file types for Salesforce logos. Choose the file and confirm your selection. Finally, once your logo has been uploaded and you're happy with how it looks, click Save at the bottom of the page. This will apply your new logo to the app, and it will now be visible to all users who access that particular Salesforce application. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your logo in Salesforce, giving your app a personalized and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.